Thank you. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I here welcome all my friends from Bangladesh in the India Bangladesh Tele Collaboration Project session number 5. We have held 4 session, but this time we got little late to hold this 5 session because our team members were not feeling well. First Kamal sir, then Rabiullah sir, then and myself was also ill, and I think we are going through this very tough period and tough conditions. So nice to meet all of you here, and let us start this 5th session. Okay. So this is my introduction again. uh, I think we all have this information. Just move ahead. First topic of today's session is that free time and your culture. uh, there is a saying in Sanskrit language, the old saying and ancient saying that Kavya Shastra Vinodena Kalo Gacchati Dhimatam Vesanena च मूर्खानाम Nidraya Kalahenava. So if we go to the meaning of this, that is the time of wise is spent by the poetry, science and humor, and the time of fools is spent by addiction, sleep or discord. Wise people always spend time in some productive things, some good things, but those who are foolish people, they spend time in quarreling, sleeping, different type of addictions and such type of bad thing. So how you spend your time shows that what type of person you are. So this is very good saying about this. Kavya Shastra Vinodena Kalo Gacchati Dhimatam Vesanena cha Murkhanam Nidraya Kalahinava. Wise people spend time in poetry, science, and humor and other things, and foolish people, silly people spend time in addictions, quarreling, and sleeping. Okay. So how I spend time, or how this what is my hobby, I have said about this in last I think session number 3, or yes, 3 maybe. I like to read a lot of books and whatever, maybe newspapers, maybe magazines, whatever I get, I started reading. Okay. Then music. This is a very big figure in Indian music. You can see his photograph, that is Pandit Bhimsen Joshi. He is had been honored greatest civilian award of India for the singing, that is Bharat Ratna award. Then you would have been listened to this live miracle, that is Lata Mangeshkar. She is also Bharat Ratna and very fantastic singer. Then uh, here is a Jagjit Singh. Basically, he is a singer of ghazals, and he sings very fantastic ghazals, and I am a fan of his ghazals. Then this is a Pakistani singer, that is Ghulam Ali. He is also a singer of ghazal, but I do like his ghazals very from bottom of my heart. This is Sonu Nigam. In this today generation, he is very famous singer in India. This is Rahat Fateh Ali Khan, again Pakistani. Right now he is Indian citizen, but very fantastic singer. Then Mohammad Rafi, legend, old age singer, but old era singer. But his songs are very famous in India today also. So these are the musical miracles, I think so. So I like them. Then what type of movies? So this is the serial I do like most, and this is based on the book written by Vyas Maharshi, which is says that every subject of the world has been described in this Mahabharat. Okay, then this is a biopic of Indian cricket captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Main lead role is done by Sushant Singh Rajput. That is very fantastic movie to see and show the picture. This is the love story, which is showing the time at the 1947 when India and Pakistan get parted away, and that time Pakistani girl and Indian boy get in love with each other, and how they separate and get unite. This is very fantastic story. I do like this. And then this is Bhag Milkha Bhag, very fantastic movie about the sports person, runner. That is Milkha Singh. Last month he has been expired due to COVID-19. He was 100, more than 100 years old. So this is the story of his life, Bhag Milkha Bhag. Then Mary Kom, the mother of two girls and winning 5 times gold medal in the world championship in boxing. Always motivation to all the girls of the world, not only in India, not only here. Then this is again movie which is based on Indian polity and history, and something epic there, that is Bahubali. Very fantastic set and very fantastic making music and visuals and everything. So these are movies I do like. Then travel. So I have told before that I want always to go for trekking. So this is the Hadsar Fort in Maharashtra. In last session I have shown you Raigad Fort. So here, where is my mouse? There is a compound and gate of this fort up on the opposite side, right? This side is back side of the fort. So I do travel to this type of forts, that where we get exercise also, where we get refreshment also, and where we get in touch of our history, that how our ancient ancestor was living and how the political system and other systems was there. So we can see from here. Here is another picture like this with my shack, and like this we travel there. Okay, I do like to take different type of photographs while traveling there. Want to be, so I always want to be go to Himalaya, being Indian, and still I am not able to go to Himalaya. So whenever I will get time, I will go to Himalaya, because it is said that Himalaya is the wonderful and beautiful place in the world to see. Then about good health and well-being, this is the next and second point of our today's session. What are the objective? Ensuring healthy lives and promoting well-being at all ages is essential to sustainable development. This is the objective of this. Then target and indicators. First target is that by 2030, reduce the global maternal mortality ratio to less than 70 per 1 lakh live births. Right now it is more than 100 in India. And by 2013, and preventable deaths of newborns and children under 5 years of age, with all countries aiming to reduce neonatal mortality to at least as low as 12 per thousand live births, and under 5 mortality to at least as low as 25 per 100 live births. This is the second target. Third is that end the epidemic of AIDS, tuberculosis, malaria, and neglected tropical diseases, and combat hepatitis, waterborne diseases, and other communicable diseases. By 2030, reduce by 1/3 premature mortality from non-communicable diseases through prevention and treatment, and promote mental health and well-being. Fifth is that strengthen the prevention and treatment of substance abuse, including narcotic drugs and abuse and harmful use of alcohol. Next is halve the number of global death and injuries from road traffic accident, which is a very big killer right now, accident. Then next is that by 2030, ensure universal access to sexual and reproductive health care services, including for family planning, information and education, information and integration of reproductive health into national strategy and programs. Next is achieve universal health coverage, including financial risk protection, access to quality essential healthcare services, and access to safe, effective, quality, and affordable essential medicines and vaccines for all. I think right now it is very, very important, because today vaccination is a very key point, and it has been included in the targets also, this SDG targets. By 2030, substantially reduce the number of deaths and illness from hazardous chemical and air, water, soil pollution, and contamination. I think this is the main killer now. Again, strengthen the implementation of the World Health Organization Framework Convention on Tobacco Control in all countries as appropriate. Then support the research and development of vaccines and medicines for the communicable and non-communicable diseases that primarily affect developing countries. Provide access to affordable essential medicines and vaccines in accordance with the Doha Declaration on the TRIPS Agreement and Public Health, which affirms the right of developing countries to use the full of provisions in agreement on trade related aspect of intellectual property rights regarding flexibilities to protect public health, and in particular provide access to medical medicines for all. Substantially increase the health financing and recruitment, development, training, and retention of the health workforce in developing countries, especially in at least developed countries and small island developed countries. Strengthen the capacity of all countries, in particular developing countries, for early warning, risk reduction, and management of national and global health risk. So these are the targets, and what is the status? As I said that this is the public health care system. You can see in the screen that what type of planning and what type of system is there. So here, central health ministry, then state, then rural. There are community health centers, primary health centers, sub centers, and accredited social health activities, that is ASHA worker, which visit home to home and do work. Okay, this is a structure in government sector. Then Ministry of Railways have different hospital dispensaries. There are some private sector also, for profit, non-profit, charitable trust hospitals, and profit hospital, it is their regular private hospitals. And Ministry of Defense has dispensaries based hospital, and this type of. But this is the basic core system of public healthcare services, which can provide vaccination to maternal health or neonatal health, all facilities to all the people. Then what are the schemes which can be provided to this global health care or universal health care to all the citizens of the India? This is Rajiv Gandhi Jeevan Dayi Arogya Yojana. free quality critical care for low income families who have income less than 2.5 lakhs. They have been given the health coverage of 5 lakh health insurance under the schemes, and they can about 150 diseases are covered in this scheme. This is a government scheme. This is Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, PMEAY, that is called Ayushman Bharat. In this scheme also, this is the world's largest healthcare scheme, world's largest health insurance scheme, by which all the citizens of the country has been covered under this scheme. Then this is Rajiv Gandhi Vidyarthi Apagat Sanugrah Anudan Yojana, that is for the students actually. This is Maharashtra state government scheme. Whenever a student got in accident, so 2.5 lakhs is given to the family or to the parent of that students for the medical treatment. Okay. Then this is Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana. This is again the insurance scheme for the common people. Okay. Then there are some NGOs who are working for the healthcare system. This is a Smile Foundation, which then this is a CRY, Children Rights and You. I think this is very famous foundation. You could have been read about this. This is a HelpAge India. This is about the what we can say old age peoples. It actually focus on old age peoples. Then this is Health for All Universal Health Coverage Coalition. This is very famous and top NGO for health sector in India. Then Pratham, it works in health as well as education and with the bottom of the society. And this is a Transparent Hands Foundation, which is tagline is inspiring our community for better tomorrow. To develop awareness and to help and provide healthcare services. These all NGOs work for there, and there are so many NGOs. I think today is an age of NGOs, and there are different type of NGOs, but these are the top and famous and working at least for 25-35 years, last 35 years in the healthcare system. So this was all from my side. I tried to do all the things in minimum slides because there was a scarcity of time, and we had okay. We had a little scarcity of time because we have started late, so that is why I have tried to complete this in a very bright manner. But all the point which has been prescribed for this meeting, I tried to cover them. So this is all from me. If anyone want to comment something about this meeting, so you please have your comment.
For the very nice presentation.
Hi, sir.
Sir, the medical system of your country is very good. Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Jasmine ma'am, are you listening us? Do you have network? Your network issue has been clear?
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. So unmute, please.
Sir, make me host, sir. I'm scared.
Oh, yes, sir.
Thunderbolt
Please,
is
sir. Permission is screen share. Yeah, just in them, sir.
Okay, okay, ma'am, there is one option, because we have
Sir,
time,
where
let,
there is no photograph.
no, not an issue. We can say,
Sir,
we have less than 7 minutes, so I think that we should end this session and join again. Then you can get full uninterrupted time. What do you think?
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so I am ending this meeting right here, and again you can join instantly. Okay.